Hi friends, this is Shiva. Okay, so today we will create some Spring Boot application with the REST controller. Okay, so first we will type this Spring Initializer to create the Spring Boot application. Okay, so this is a window. So here we have to give. Okay, I will keep the group name is same. So here I will type Spring Boot. Okay, REST controller. Okay, so here, so I'm choosing the by default versions 2.4.5. Okay, so then I'm using JDK 8. I'm choosing here. So here, you have to click add dependencies. So for I'm creating the REST controller, correct? We have to add this Spring Web dependency. Okay, so here click generate project, generate. So it will download one zip file. Okay, go to the folder and extract. Already I have downloaded the file, so I have extracted in one place. I will show you there. This is a project. Okay, so this is a project I have. It is downloaded from the Spring Initializer. After that I have extracted. Okay, then I'm opening into the IntelliJ file, open. Okay, this project I have opened like this already. So we'll maximize the project. So this is a pom.xml 2.4.5, and already we have added the web dependency. This is the main class. By default it is generated. So I have created the two packages. One is controller, another one is model. So model class I created only the student name and student country. After that, in this controller, okay, so if you want to create the RESTful web service, we have to annotate with the REST controller. So I am using the get mapping and post mapping. Okay, so this is the annotation you can see. For this is a demo, so I have in that model class I have set it to variables name and country. Then I am returning the same student. In post also, post normally what we will do, so we will get the request. Some model classes, some DTO will get it. We will do some operations. We will navigate. We will do some operation in the service class. Then we will save that particular data like this. Okay, so same thing in the post operation also I am returning the student. That's all we can. Okay, so I will run this application. How we can run this microservice? Right click, run as. I am using IntelliJ. Maybe other people will use Eclipse and STS, I think. Same way. So click the main class and right click and run as Java application. Okay, this application is started. So I'm going to Postman. In the Postman we'll test first. Okay, this is a get API. This is a get. So I'm clicking this one. Okay, so this get, so it is going to the get student details. It is returning the student object. Same way, post also the localhost 8080, save student details, save students request body. We are consuming the student object, then we are returning the same. That's all friends, how to create a Spring Boot application with a REST controller. That's all. Thank you.